Introducing the Flexi-Frame roller frames from Hyde, the innovative new paint roller frames designed to revolutionize your painting experience. Say goodbye to walk-off with the 2 attachment points at either end of the roller. The 2-arm design ensures even pressure for a flawless finish. Plus, the slim connector arms leave half an inch of space between the roller's edge and the wall, allowing you to paint right up against an opposite wall or ceiling without worrying about getting paint on the other side. Removing the roller is a breeze too, no need to touch it. The Flexi-Frame comes in 9 and 18 sizes, with the 18 version adjustable to a 30-degree angle for painting floors and ceilings. Make your painting jobs quicker and easier with the Flexi-Frame roller frames from Hyde. Trend Universal Quick Release Rail Clamped. The Trend Universal Quick Release Rail Clamped, the perfect solution for securing pocket hole jigs and circular saw tracks. With an 11mm universal spigot, 83mm throat depth, and 226mm clamping capacity, it's compatible with a range of materials and workbench thicknesses. Its 1175 Nm of torque provides maximum grip and reduces slippage, while the premium rubber over mold handles offer ergonomic support. The non-marring clamp pad prevents pressure marks on your workpiece, and the quick release trigger allows for fast adjustment and removal. Hetex Heavy-Duty Roller Movement Set, the ultimate solution for moving containers over solid ground with ease. With rollers attached at the ISO corners, lateral openings remain free for other uses, while the set's leveling supports and universal adapter allow for effortless movement of containers of different heights. Say goodbye to expensive cranes and forklifts and move containers efficiently. Built for durability, Hetex Heavy-Duty Roller Movement Set is the perfect addition to your container moving arsenal. RUNPOTEC XBoards 500. The XBoards 500, the compact and universal cable drum winder and unwinder designed for trouble-free and rational working without tangled cables. Loadable up to 800 kilograms and suitable for any type of drum, including damaged ones. The XBoards 500 features a height adjustable cover that secures loose cables, cable rings, or pipes, preventing uncontrolled cable unwinding. With 12 rubberized feet, it provides a non-slip and stable base, making it perfect for protecting surfaces with finished floor coverings. Upgrade your cable and pipe handling game with the XBoards 500 and experience the convenience of tangle-free working. Introducing the ORIT Plaster Block Cutter, the innovative solution for effortless and precise gypsum block cutting. Weighing 39.2 kilograms, it's sturdy enough to handle daily use, with a maximum cutting width of 690 millimeters and a cutting height range of 50 to 100 millimeters. Its fixed, hardened blade guarantees clean, accurate cuts every time. The powder-coated yellow surface makes it easy to spot in your workspace, while the compact size of 867x672x650 millimeters means it fits into most spaces. The roller track holding plate keeps the block secure during cutting, reducing the risk of accidents. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the ORIT Plaster Block Cutter saves time and effort. The Hilti electric jackhammer D3000 amperes Demolition Breaker, the powerful and upgraded tool for your demolition needs. Delivering the same performance as 45 kilograms air-powered breakers, it's now 10% lighter with a new top handle design, making it easier to handle and transport. The active vibration reduction and 2 fully decoupled handles offer a vibration-damp jackhammer with -10% lower vibration, while the quick change chuck allows for easy Hilti DH chisel replacement. With a virtually maintenance-free brushless motor and triple-chamber lubrication systems, the T3000 offers a longer lifetime and less downtime. Perfect for various applications, including demolishing reinforced concrete slabs and foundations, breaking cutting asphalt, pipe laying, pavement repair, structural restoration, digging, trenching, tamping, and setting ground rods in hard soils. Introducing the Sealey 3.7-volt vacuumed roll dust extractor, $1, the convenient and accurate solution for your drilling needs. The vacuum holds the unit to the wall for easy drilling, and the extractor is suitable for drill bits up to 12 millimeters in diameter. With horizontal and vertical spirit levels, accurate positioning is guaranteed, and a laser light on the bottom provides extra precision when drilling. The removable dust collection pod makes for easy emptying, while the rechargeable lithium-ion powered battery with USB cable ensures that it's always ready when you need it. Realprophy MINILIFT. The reliable and durable cable drum lifted designed for construction sites. With a solid steel frame and wheel system, it can handle large cable drums weighing up to 4 tons. The all-metal construction ensures maximum durability, and innovative technology makes it completely maintenance-free, even for outdoor use. Together with the Jumbo Lift, it extends the range of cable lifters in the new generation of cable handling equipment. With its light aluminum construction and innovative technology, the MINILIFT makes it easy to uncoil heavy drums, offering ergonomic features and ease of use. Its receiving block rollers run in ball bearings for easy movement, making it the ideal solution for any construction site or cable warehouse. The Grr-ripper2 Go by Microjig, the fastest and safest solution for precise table sockets. With its powerful gripping legs, this tool is perfect for cutting small pots down to 5/16 and virtually eliminates kickback. It's also great for use on the router table, bandsaw, and jointer. Use 2 Grr-ripper2 Go's for feeding and cutting material longer than 12. With the hand-over-hand feeding technique, you can rip your material smoothly to an unlimited length. Protect both hands and get virtually burn-free cuts on your most passionate projects. The 101 Power Winder, the convenient and easy-to-use tool designed for all cylindrical-mounted devices. The Power Winder is lightweight and easy to attach to small, medium, and large-size cylindrical frames, and can be adjusted to fit other water-level meters in the market. Designed to allow effortless winding of longer lengths of tape, cable, or tubing, the Power Winder uses a standard power drill or driver to operate. Say goodbye to the hassle and strain of manual winding and upgrade your reel-mounted device game with the 101 Power Winder. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.